Which topic are we going to take first?
I think we should do 159 questions.
Please, once again, can you read the topic?
Uh, how sports person represent the nation and how their vitality helps in representing the nation.
So, can you start first?
We can do a research for 2 minutes. After that, we can start. Anyone start in the group. They can raise their hands.
Okay. Can I start till then? Okay, Nikita. Fine. Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikita. So, yes, I think sports person play a vital role in representing our nation worldwide in global stage, because in there are many sports and there are many games like international competitions that is held, and like Olympics, Paralympics, and cricket tournaments, World Cup, and everything. So our sports person are going to represent our country at the national stage, like when they are winning or losing the champion, whatever it is. Like in opening or closing ceremony, they wear our national flag, they wear our national symbol. So it is going to create a great impact, kind of a national pride for each and everyone. And also, I want to tell about I want to tell like government should try to fund more and more on sports, try to support more sports other than cricket as well, so that we can represent all games and sports worldwide. Like nowadays, government is supporting many games and tournaments in Olympic. Now cricket is also going to start in Olympic, so I think that would be a good, because it will also increase the revenue of our country, and it will also contribute to GDP as well. And it is a kind of like unity and pride moment when anyone represents our country at national level. Okay, Nikita. Next one. Who is going to talk?
Who is ready to talk can raise their hand. Vidya, you can start.
Okay, Vidya.
Hi everyone, I'm Vidya from Kerala. So I think sports persons play a very important role in representing our nation on the global stage. Um, if you look at means sports persons often become cultural ambassadors. If you look at that, they are also considered as role models by our young generation, and international competitions also, like Olympics, World Cup, and other global events. Also, the athletes represent their countries, so their performance is going to elevate our status and visibility on the global stage. And successful athletes also unite people from different regions, backgrounds. So there is a sense of national unity and pride in that. And uh, most of our generation also consider as role models. And if you look at the economic perspective, they also increase or boost our economy through tourism and sponsorship also. And they also sell merchandise. Through that also we can earn, economically we can earn. And yeah, so I think sport persons are a very important representatives of our nations, and they play a very significant role in inspiring our younger generation and also contribute to our economy. Thank you.
Okay. Next one, who is interested?
Hey, can I speak up?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
speak.
okay.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Dicto from Thrissur, Kerala. According to me, sports is so vital for representing a nation over the other nations. Like it is a part of showcasing our nations. The sports events may include like Olympics, Asian Games, etc. it's a part where our sports person are showcasing our country through sports. It's not only helps us in like showcasing, but also help us to create some cooperative and supporting nature from other nations. We could able to see the friendships which our people are having with others, some collaboration, the bonds. For example, last Olympics we have seen like our our javelin Olympic medalist is having a close connection with the Pakistan javelin medalist. Through that, they are giving some messages like we are able to collaborate with other nations without any conflicts, and this help us in collaborating our like friendship, which also will be helping forward for their supportive culture on our developments also. So sports not only help us in showcase our nation, but also helps in further collaboration and developments for our country. This would surely help our economy a lot. Thank you.
Can I speak now?
So
Am I
next,
audible?
Yes, you are audible, Manpreet.
Okay, okay. So sports is very vital for the Indian economy. Sports representatives are also playing a role model for our youth. Sports activities are also being encouraged by the government of India. As recently seen in Paris Olympics 2024, that India secured 71st position worldwide, and we know some famous sports person like Neeraj Chopra, Manu Bhaker. They were able to secure medals for India, and it was a very proud moment for India. They showcased how rich an Indian culture is, and I definitely feel that sports representatives, they are helping in boosting the economy of India. They are also helping in making India very proud of whatever they are doing. So because of them, many youth is now directed towards going towards that direction. Youth is believing that academic success is not the only success which is valued. They are getting more options to further enhance their career through sports activities. Thank you.
Whoever want to participate can raise their hand. Yeah, Prabha, you can speak.
Yeah, good evening. I feel that sports representative are vital for any country, and especially like our country, the sports representatives are cultural ambassadors. They promote uh, they promote our culture and sense of pride and identity. And when these people win in any form of games, they gain international recognition for our country. And they become role model and sense of unity, and they promote foster unity and inspiration among the youth. For example, like when India is playing for World Cup in cricket, there is division of North and South is not exemplified there. One nation is denoted there. So, and it also influences in a diplomatic way also, because it promotes the goodwill between nations and can improve international relations also. So I feel these are the most important. They are the most important representatives.
Anil, if you want to speak, you can. Anil, are you there? Can you hear me?
Hi, I would like to add a few more points. Sports persons not only showcases our nation, but this also provides an inspiration for the upcoming generations of our nation. So they could understand that there is also a chance for taking sports as a career, which in our nations early it was not focusing on that one. The homes in the villages, all they are motivating like their children should study, not to waste the time in sports. So sports can be this. These games can establish that sports also can be taken as a career path also. Also, the culture. Sports help us to secure our culture of our country. Nowadays, we can often see like our culture is often influenced by westernization in the clothes, in the habits, or even the language we speak, or even the way we talk, we walk everywhere. Sports, in the contrary, if you're able to represent our our persons in the national games or Olympics or some other case where our nation is represented, this will help us to secure our culture, and our culture also will be promoted. Thank you.
I would also like to add a point. Whatever Victor said, I agree with it, that it is going to definitely help our youth in choosing their career whenever they see their favorite sports representatives. So there is a motivation which is instilled in the youth. And now government is also providing many training facilities for the people to showcase their talent and also to identify in which sports they are really good so that they can develop and can earn name in that particular field as well.
I would like to add on. Yeah, I'd like to add on some more points. So nowadays, sports persons are like an inspirations to many of the adults and childrens, and seeing their favorite sports person performing good, they also try to be a good athlete. They also want to be a sports person, and it encourages many like healthy competition. It encourages sports at worldwide level, and government is also providing funding. So major challenges but faced by the sports person is like infrastructure and funding only. So I think if government consistently support them, so and media also if support each and every sport equally, so I think we'll be getting more medals in future competitions.
Kali, if you want to speak, you can speak. Kali, can you hear me? Kali Thackeray, am I audible?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. You can speak.
Okay. I want to add some more point here. As everyone, my fellow says that sports person are representing our culture in front in the national level. It is true, and also it gives the opportunity to every individual from our India to represent our India in a national level, and also Indian person can be role model of the other country. It help in increasing the our tourism, and ultimately it increases our economy because people are interested to meet their fans and increase the our nations as and thank you. That's on my side.
Hello, am I audible?
You can speak.
Actually, I got bad network here.
You are audible. You can speak. Right.
Okay, thank you. In my view, sports person represents the nation, and their vitality in representing nation is of more emphasis because they will the organization in international platforms, and this will definitely showcase the country's values, traditions, and other spirit in global stage, and this will definitely break the barriers between these regions and other inequalities in the country. By some favorite sports person performing well in the international platform will definitely inspire our young generations to focus more on physical and mental health and sports activities as well. And this provides more getting involved into the sports and showcasing their talents in international platform will create a positive impact on the figure of nation in international platforms. This will be like branding ourselves in the international platform. This will attract attention of more international companies and all. Thank you.
Can I add one point? Yeah, I would like to add one point.
Yes, you can.
Hello.
Yeah, you
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Vidya, audible. You are
Yes, you are
audible.
audible.
Yes, I would like to add one point. Like most of our younger generation look up to their idols in sports. So most of our athletes follow a very healthy lifestyle and their physical fitness. They also promote physical fitness, so which can have a very positive impact on public health. So I would like to add that point.
Even
So
I would
guys, I
like to
think
add a point. These sports people are vital for any country to earn respect. And this is for example, our country is respected in different way after the India won a World Cup in cricket, and I feel like this how much these social sports person are vital for our country is their success stories must be promoted so that it would stimulate and encourage many hidden sports person from backward. Thank you.
yes, I
I
totally agree
agree
with
with
Prabha.
Divya Prabha, and
I
I would
would
like to
also
add
like
more.
to
Guys, is there
I
anyone
would
who
like
haven't
to add a
spoken?
point.
Is there anyone who haven't spoken even once? So no. So let's start an open conversation now. You can raise. You can let me start. Then we can add the points. So, guys, this side Ashwini Kumar from Ludhiana district. So, according to me, sports person plays a vital role. It helps to build the nation pride. It, like you can say, sports person unites the country. It results in exchange of cultures also at the international level or national level also. Sometimes it results in the reduce in the political tensions also. Some like in the previous years, many times it happened. Cricket helps to reduce the political tension between two nations. Apart from this, like we can use the sports person as a soft power in diplomacy also. Like recently, you can say in Paris Olympics, like most of our fellow members said, Paris Olympic had India shows their sports person and they have performed very well. But the one of the best thing about the Paris Olympic is that in the Paris Olympic, Abhinav Bindra was our torch bearer. So it shows our soft power in front of the world. Apart from this, like so, these sports player helps. Sports player have lot of followers like Virat Kohli and Neeraj Chopra gain lot of followers. So these followers can give a positive message in terms of both mental health and physical health. And we can even the recent Olympic committee said that they are including cricket for the upcoming Olympic just because of the huge popularity of the Virat Kohli. So these type of news are also coming. So according to me, like sports person can play a huge role in order to make give a nation as a good impact.
Yes, I would also like to add on more points as my fellow SN shared that yes, sports person, we can use this as a soft power for our country because it helps in reducing the political tensions that we have with other countries because sports are just a game. So like it's a very a different thing and it promote culture among international countries as well. And like we can also say like a sports person can attract more international brands because they sponsor many brands, so it will be an boost to our economy as well. And also like there were many sports that were really not known very popular, but because of the sports person, because who they are performing very well in that sports, so now they are also popular, so it encourages each and every sports in a worldwide level.
Yes, Prabha. Guys, it is
I
an
would
open
like to
conversation.
add a
Yeah, I would add like
I-
to some points in support of opinion has been delivered by my friend that sports has helped us to increase the unity among the nation. As I believe on all other sectors, which is including religion, politics, and anything. It's every people are separated into different groups. But when it comes to sports, it unites the people among each other, whether it is poor, rich, backward class, upward class. It's an important tool keeping our country united. And like as I already mentioned, it's help us our country to inspire young generations, increase collaboration between other nations. Also, it will also establish a unity. Yeah, you guys can continue with the other views.
I would like to add
yeah,
one more point. In
I would like to add a point that I would like to add a small point like youth, the younger generation, when they view the sports person on any of the platforms, like they can view it on YouTube or social, like TVs. Whenever they see them, they can learn from them that how they are performing. I think this motivates them and also provokes their interest in a particular field. So I guess the sports person are not just directly, but indirectly also they are being the good representatives. They are playing a vital role uh, in our country. Thank you. You can continue, guys.
I would like to add a point in support of what my friend said. And the one more thing I feel is, rather than any other sector, the sports have impelled and helped many physically challenged people to gain recognition worldwide through Paralympics. I think they have become brand ambassadors for many product. I don't think so. It is possible in any other sector. So this is a very vital part of any country's growth.
Aligning with the discussion, I would like to add a point that even the countries with by good performance and showcasing their skills, winning medals, even countries without having, even countries which are underdeveloped or are developing can come into limelight in the international platforms. This will encourage us all the nations competitive spirit in with respect to the sports.
I would like to add one more point. Like even sports at a regional level, like district level or state level, helps the individual to build the skills like leadership, team building, patience, and these skills somewhere and somehow helps them to contribute in the nation's development. So I think it there is a very good like there is a good thing whoever is participating in sports, so it is a good thing.
I also want to add one point that sports person who are representing our nation in a national level, also it become a spirit for the rural youth, and they are practicing for the sports and moving towards the representing our nations in our state as well as the national level. So it is becoming spirit for the rural youth also.
I think we should conclude right now. Is there anyone who want to conclude?
Yes, I can try.
Yes, you can try. Your GD is on tomorrow. You can do that.
Okay, thank you. So thank you everyone for giving me a chance to conclude this topic. So I think everyone has contributed very well and stated their points, made it very much clear. The sports person plays a vital role in development of our economy, and overall, they also contribute in boosting our GDP as well. If we talk about their cultural, so they also are helping in making good cultural relations with other countries as well, because they are representing our country at international stage. Also, they are a part of inspirations to many young children who are going to take sports in a career later on. And also, sports person attract many international brand to come in India, and it helps in economic boost as well. So overall, they are national pride to us, so they should be constantly motivated, and ample opportunity should be provided to each athlete to grow well, like proper funding and proper infrastructure development. Thank you.
Yeah, I think you have been talking nicely. You want another 10 minutes time? You can carry on. I'll come after 10 minutes. Is it okay? Or you have completed?
Completed, sir.
We
I
have
think.
completed.
More or less completed. Very good, very good. Excellent.
One topic.
Yeah,
We
1
can move
minute.
to one topic also, next topic also.
Pardon? Which one? One more topic is there?
Yeah. Impact of AI on current situation, like
Oh, super,
job.
super topic. Super topic. Please take it up. You can go up to 644. Okay, carry on. Carry on, carry on. Only few of you are there. It must be possible for you to make it interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of you. Make it interesting. This time, Ashwini Kumar, Divya Prabha, Vidya Murali will take lead of this topic. Okay, Divya Prabha,
Yes,
can
sir.
you do that? Can you do that for me?
Yes, sir.
And also Vidya Murali. Both of you join together
Yes,
and
sir.
take care of this topic. I want all of you to develop confidence to lead others and also to be in a position to talk confidently. That is the objective of this exercise. Of course, there is no time for me. Continue. I will come after 15 minutes.
Good evening, guys. Our topic is impact of AI on employment, and Nikita, you can start.
I will start. Just give me some seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I like to start on this topic. Hi, I am Ditto. I am from Thrissur, Kerala. AI has AI has been lately introduced, and it has been vastly impacted on the employment. Not it it has reduced the effort of the employees, but it haven't reduced the chances of employment. More employment opportunities were increased as AI has been implemented. The workers will be having like the efforts given provided by the workers has been reduced, but the AI has to be maintained and enhanced. So few employees were being promoted for checking the AI of the system for authenticated on each companies. As of now, while I was working from a client-based company, we had authorized to the co-pilot facilities where it has been authenticated, and few employees were appointed for authorizing these channels as the now data has to be gone out. So and also this has been increased more opportunities on the database systems also. So I can say AI is reduce the employees' effort, but increase more opportunities. And going forward, it can create more number of opportunities in every sectors, including agriculture and taxes and construction, etc.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you,
Now can
Ditto.
I?
1 minute. 1 minute. Ditto, you can reduce your time, I think, little bit. I think
Okay,
that part has to
thank you
be
for the
taken care of.
okay, okay, I shall reduce. Thank you for that.
Yeah, continue, Nikita. Continue. Sorry, I'm
Yes.
sorry to interrupt.
Okay, okay. So good evening, everyone. Yes, I think AI has totally transformed, like AI and machine learning, and this has both positive as well as negative effect on employment sector in India. If we look in positive aspects, so it has transformed our work and it has made our work more easier. It has increased our efficiency and taking intelligent decision making through AI tools. Also, if we are like working on any presentation or anything, so it has reduced the time to do that. And if you look on, it has also created many job opportunities like data engineer, data scientist, ML engineer. But if we look on the con side, so it has removed those clerical and data entry jobs that exist earlier. So I think the thing we can do, we can upgrade our skills according to these upcoming AI and machine learning thing, so that our skills doesn't get obsolete, because in long run it is going to create a positive impact only. Thank
Yeah, Mansi, you can continue.
Okay. So I feel that AI has a transformative change. AI is boosting our economy in so much ways. We can see in different sectors how AI is playing its role very nicely. But coming to the employment, I will say that in short term, yes, the employment will be reduced because of AI, because there are so many repetitive tasks that earlier humans used, but now AI can do it very easily and effectively, and it is kind of good for the economy as well. It helps in increasing the productivity of our economy. And in the short term, yes, the employment will be reduced, but in the long term, I would like to say that AI is going to create many opportunities for people. It is us that we need to upskill ourselves. We need to learn more, and when we will be upskilled, we'll definitely have different job opportunities available to us, and more, not just job opportunities, but also maybe more business ideas to run. So I think yes, AI is playing its role very nicely. and has a positive impact on the employment in the long run. Thank you.
Yeah, Chaitali.
I want to add here some point. AI may produce many employment to the youth and IT sector, but it producing only many employment in the IT sectors only. There are many non-skilled labor in India who are living in a rural area and backward classes are there. AI not providing the employment to that person, and it reduces their employment, their chance to their it reduces their employment, and it creates the opportunity for only the very well and skilled people. So because of the using of AI, there are desire to avail all the machines, and it produces many opportunity to IT sectors only. That's my side.
Yeah, anyone? Any of them haven't spoken yet? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I would like to conclude, and many of them supported that AI will develop job opportunities and it will impact the employment in a positive way. As I would agree on what my friends here said, AI can evolve job transformation and displacement of traditional work and repetitive jobs. Like for example, in banks also, since the CBS system, core banking solution, and different payment system have introduced, this conventional banking environment has brought a full stop, which helps in reducing congestion and help banks to focus more on sales and marketing, and in other IT sectors also, and especially this workforce are being resilient, and they have put in a mandatory platform to upgrade themselves in skill development. Mm, because it will be the way to sustain in a work environment in recent trends. So I feel yeah, my perspective is AI has impacted the employment in a positive way, and and also in another way, it is negative impact for unskilled laborers. So, but I think more pros are there. In fact, rather than cons. Yeah, thank you. Can we go for open discussion on this topic?
Yes.
Yeah, we can go open discussion for this topic.
And 1 minute, people those who haven't spoken yet can at least speak now. I think everyone has spoken. Yeah. Yeah, guys, go with open discussion.
Okay, I would like to initiate the discussion. So, to cope up with these challenges, like what would be the impact of AI and machine learning on employment, we can like train every employee, like company can train their employees about the new skills and everything, so that their skills doesn't become obsolete in the long run, because it needs to be changed. They need to be forget the old skill and adapt to the new skill, and this is the only way, because AI has taken many jobs, but instead of that it has created many skillful jobs as well. So if we learn those skills, we'll be able to get the job as well.
Yeah, I would also like to add a point that it is just about the perspective that people are having regarding AI. Seen from the positive side, we know that AI will definitely create many opportunities in future, and AI is the future of our world. If in an economy, if it needs development, then technology and AI is very important. So AI is definitely going to create more jobs, and more skills will be required for it. It will make our workforce more smarter than what it is right now. Thank you.
I would like to add more points on this one. The common nature of the AI is the predictive analysis. What we can see when we are searching on a chat GPT. the comments which you have provided earlier, they will be taking care of, they will be taking reference of that one also. So through this predictive analysis, AI has helped us to make decision making more easier. Also, AI has created multiple job opportunities. When we are going for this Meta AI, which has been implemented in the WhatsApp and Instagram, it is able to track the people's activities in the Instagram, and in the WhatsApp we are able to get any information search over there. Also, when it comes to the Microsoft, we are having Copilot, and also through CrowdStrike we are able to get next gen antivirus and antiviruses which are using artificial intelligence and tracking on those activities. Also, the comment tracking on the YouTube and the Flipkart and Amazon OS all are helping us a lot in our operations nowadays. And this also create immense employment opportunities for different sectors. Thank you.
May it creating many opportunities to the AI sector, but some people are low skilled labor, and it transportation with the self-driving vehicles, it reduces the opportunity for them, because automation of the vehicle are introduced in many countries. So AI may reduce the employment for those people also.
I would slightly differ to that opinion. I think you all remember the comments told by the NVIDIA CEO. The AI has been improved, and the people are now not ever required to have the knowledge on programming languages to write a code. Even with the logical sentences, we are able to get and fetch an entire code through AI. This means we will be having more opportunities. Even a person with the basic knowledge can have more opportunities, but he should be good in the knowledge. And AI can also reduce the human errors, which can be caused by the manual work, and it will increase the quality of work. Thank you.
Anyone would like to speak? Yeah, if
Yeah, AI will also help in many sectors, like in hello.
yeah, you
Yeah,
are
you are
audible.
audible.
Okay. So AI will also help in many sectors, like in automation sectors, defense sectors. It is going to help a lot. Like for something earlier where people have to take their life at risk. So AI can do that thing now, and it
Narayana,
will be beneficial also. And it also encourage
Govinda,
many entrepreneurship development, like
Madhusudana.
inspire young entrepreneurs to take informed decision, and it foster innovations among themselves. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, anyone can conclude. Ditto, can you conclude?
Sure, I shall conclude on this topic. As we all have discussed about the AI, we are able to see AI is able to generate more opportunities compared to reducing the employment opportunities of the employees. It's sure that AI can reduce the employee efforts, but it will try to increase more employment opportunities. As I already told, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere, they were able to create a new channel for AI. This has increased the profits them a lot, but still they require more. They have provided more employment opportunities for this. And so I am taking the stand that AI has created more employment opportunities. Also, in that case, few has discussed that AI can decrease the employment of the opportunity of the manual laborers. It is somewhat true, because this manual laborers work can be automated with the help of AI, and they may have to move out. But AI will also help them to upskill and get promoted to work in other sectors where they can utilize this AI and go forward and help in their future. Thank you.
Good. Good. You told nicely, Ditto. Best wishes, Ditto. Your GD
Thank you,
is
sir.
on which date?
5th October.
Okay. God bless you. So today
Thank you, sir.
evening, will you come for the class? Evening or tomorrow morning, will you come for the class?
Yeah, sure, sir. I will be able. Today morning I was not able to join as I was traveling to office.
Okay. No issues. Thank you. Bye.
Sir,
Okay, thank you.
Nikita.
sir,
Nikita, you are
can
talking
you
nowadays very well. Very well. That's what you wanted to ask me, or
yes, sir,
what?
yes, sir.
You're doing well. See, the fact, Divya Prabha, everybody, see, once you get more opportunities to talk in English, automatically you will forget about the fear and you'll be able to talk. And even if you commit mistakes, one or two, which will not be counted upon by the listeners. I am committing a lot of mistakes in the course of my discussion with you. But if I start worrying about that, then I won't be able to talk. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Nikita, I don't come to say that you are all committing mistakes. I'm just trying
Yes, sir.
to encourage you. Best wishes. I appreciate this group's effort in doing it like this. Tomorrow also, if you get time and if I am able to provide it, you can please make use of extra time available here. Okay. Thank you. And in the night, you please join some other groups for discussion. I think Morgan and others may be conducting. Please join. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.